It's about time that I will show you now how to create by hand, using the script editor panel, the string options, to create them and to make them appear in the MeDefault option node. So let's switch to the fresh Maya scene, the new Maya scene, which is this one. If you uncheck the DAG object only, here's the MeDefault default option node, and let's see, the Kobayashi script that I told you before, that I explained, that I described before to you in earlier in the presentation. Let's scroll down. Since this is a new scene, there are the default string option already create. You see important ambient occlusion, irradiance particle. Let's scroll down more. Contrast all buffer, final. This is 27. Okay. This after the final. Sorry, let me scroll up. Okay. After usually the new mental ray 3.8 string option are created usually after the string option 27, which usually is this one, final gather normal tolerance. As you can see, the Kobayashi script create automatically the array, just a few string option, which is the array and the progressive rendering options, but not many of them, just a few, you see, that let you control the time and the quality. This is to control the quality of the output, of the sampling output, and this is to control the time. Both of these you can use to control the time, as I told you before. By the way, the Kobayashi script and you can download. Now I open again the blog of Dagon, of Matteo Magnazzi, and if you check his blog, you will see that under the using the new features of Mental Ray 3.8, he having enclosed all the string options for you to copy. You just select and copy them, but copy them separately. Means, example, these are the, let me check. The first should be the progressive. Yeah, first is the progressive. You just select them like this and copy, and place them, paste this string option on a text file, which I did already, and this come with the tutorial. You can see the order where that first we should create the IBL one. Secondly, we will create the progressive rendering one, which are these. And for last, we will create the array one, that is only one. Now that is a set, you can choose or this one, is up to you. Means if you want to use the Boolean value on and off, or the Boolean value true or false. Back to the blog of Dagon. In his blog, Dagon give you the opportunity to copy and paste the string option directly on a text file, or just download the Kobayashi script, which is this link, you see, and if you click here, there is the Kobayashi script. Directly, the link is directly on the CG Talk, where you can download the script and install in your script folder located under the document, under the Maya folder, the main Maya folder that gets installed when you install Maya 2011, and is located under the main document folder. So now let's go back to his blog, and wait, I said we will use the text file which I prepared already, and first of all I will show you how to do this thing. So first you select the IBL string option from the start to the end. You see they are numbered 28, string 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. You right mouse copy, you copy them, and then let's open the fresh Maya scene here. And as you can see, before we see already the last string option created by the Kobayashi script is the number 31, progressive error threshold. So let's paste them directly inside. As you can see, if you scroll up, there is no environment lighting. There is no IBL string option at the moment listed under the MiDefault option node. Exactly. Now the last string option is listed in the MiDefault option node is the string option 31. So what we will do is just open the script editor, and 1 second. I think you just first we will clean up we clear the input. So you see in the panel on the top of the script editor there is all the what we did before in the fresh Maya scene. These are the commands that we did before. They're listed here. In the input you must to select the Mel tab, which is this one, not the Python, because now we are using Mel script, and so you select the Mel tab first. You click in the start of the, you see that is blinking the cursor, and you just paste. You can do it both ways. You can or just say, or just and you click execute. As you can see in the upper part of the script editor panel, now we just instruct Mental Ray to create for us the string options. So now they are already there. Let's check if they are created correct. Before the last string option was the string option 31, correct? And now, as you can see, it overrides the previous string option, and we have our IBL string option. So now the order of the string option in the MiDefault option node is changed. So now from the MiDefault option node string option editor, you can see that our IBL string options start from string option 28, and let's scroll down. Yeah, they are all here. Environment lighting scale, environment lighting approximate speed, they are all here. Now the last string option listed in the MiDefault option node is the string option 33, and is the environment lighting approximate split. And now what we will do, we will open one more time the text file, now you see it's clean, is empty, and just paste. You can use also Ctrl V, just paste them here, and as we did before, now you see all the progressive rendering string options are listed in the mail input panel. And as we did before, just go to Edit, select All, and go to Command, drop down menu, and click Execute. Now in the upper panel of the script editor, also the progressive string options are already created. Let's check. Before was a string option 31, you remember? Now let's scroll down, and here they are. 34, 35, 36, 37. Here all the progressive rendering string options are already created. And now, as a last step, of course, we have to go back to the text file and choose any of the two erase string options. We will go with the default on and off, okay? We copy this string option, and one more time back to Maya. Repeat one more time this procedure. Script editor, clear input. Paste them. You can also use the right mouse click option, and then edit, select all, and command execute. Now also the array string option should be created. Let's go to check. Here it is. So now we are ready to work with them, with the string option. Since that we create already all the string options, we don't need this empty scene anymore, this new scene, so we can safely close. And let's go back to the PDF first, and I would like to point your attention first that the string options are listed here too. Here's the settings with all the settings, and you see this is the string options are listed in the PDF too. But let's go back to the displaying HDRI image. I would like to make a note about this, and I would like to show you this new feature of Mental Ray, of Maya 2011 actually. And from the online help, they say switch your render view to HDRI format by selecting Window, Setting Preferences, and selecting the 32-bit floating point HDRI as your render view image format. So let's do it. Open one of the main scene and open the render view. So if you remember before, earlier in the presentation, when I suggest you how to optimize Maya for the use of these new features, I told you to go to Setting Preferences, to open the Preferences panel, and scroll down to the rendering, open the rendering section, and here we have enabled already the 32-bit floating point HDRI as the default image format in the main render view. Now open again the render view, and let's do the same for the main render view. As you can see, if you select the display drop-down menu, you have the choice to display the image in the 32-bit floating point HDRI format, which I enable already, or in the standard 8-bit integer. But we will go for the 32-bit floating point, so you can see the image with the high color format with many color information.